continuing with our ideas of our functions with 2.2a, we are talking about how do we recognize different functions with different exponents. Of course, we know our simple, our x squares being our quadratic. It is a parabola that either it goes up, right? Or if it is a negative x squared, it is a parabola that is going down, where the first one, the left and the right arms are both going up, and when the second one, the left and the right arms are going down. Then the next one, of course, we know our x cubed, right? And our x cubed, our positive, is that it is going up like this, right? The left is definitely, the left arm is going down, and the right arm is going up. Our negative x cubed here is just like that, but flipped the other way, going down. So our left is going up, and our right is going down. Think of it in terms of if you were to have, when I think of odd equations, and I think of it in terms of a graph, if I saw that at my bank, if I saw my first one at the bank and the money here at the bank going up, I'd be like, ooh, yeah, my money is going up. I'm making money. This is a positive. However, in the second one, it's a negative, because if I saw this at my bank, I'm like, oh no, I'm losing my money. It is going down. Next, the next one we should recognize is our x to the fourth. Our x to the fourth has a positive and a negative. The key to our x to the fourth is that it has 3 humps. So the idea of how many humps in between is always 1 less than our exponent. So our x to the fourth has 3 humps, and kind of looks like this. Has 3 humps, and however, so it's kind of like a parabola, but the there's a hump in the middle. Imagine if there was a hump in the middle of the parabola per se. And the negative x to the fourth is just like that, but going down the opposite way. So this kind of like an M or W. So our negative x to the fourth is like that. So then the next, thinking about our next part, let's talk about x to the fifth. Our x to the fifth, here, if we had, remember, since it has a x to the fifth, and that means there is 4 humps. So here, trying to draw x to the fifth, our positive, remember we want it to be like kind of a positive slope, so it's gonna go up all the way, but it would have 4 humps in between, so kind of like 1, 2, 3, 4, kind of like that. And the negative, it's going down, so 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. And the arms match our x to the third, except there are just a few more humps in between. And that is how we would recognize our different functions.